papuntang Llorente. Kontakin nyo lang si Sir Louie. Ilalagay ko sa description yung contact niya mamaya. Ayan na guys, yung San Juanico guys. So, saan tayo magpapaalam? Yan.
As long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide.
Kanya-kanya kuha.
Kapag-drone na tayo dito guys.
I'll be by your side.
Papalusutin ko sa ilalim ng tulay. Kaya alam baka mapurnada yung ibang kukuha na ng drone sa San Llorente.
Okay na sana eh.
More than I can say.
Ayan, vlogger din to, pinsan ko. Ayan.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you.
Reach. Oh my God.
It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb.
Pag nagbabasin dito matang dito eh, no?
And I
Hindi pa yung rota.
thank you for being you. Been waiting for you all
1.5
my
kilometer.
life. You are my dream come true.
May resort din yung ilalim, oh. Paano pumunta ibang kuya sa mga resort na yan? Habang ka? Susunduin ka.
I'd be lost if not for you.
The famous San Juanico Bridge.
And I love you more and more and more each day.
Ang pinakamahabang tulay ng
I love you
Pilipinas.
more and more and more than I can say.
Tibay,
You're
ilang
my
linggo lang na buhay pa.
addiction.
Ilang
You're
bagyo na yung
my
dumaan.
strongest inspiration. And I
Bago mabuo, nagkaganda wala ang mga bata. Kaya pag mga bata pa
there's no
wala.
mountain
Wala
I
nasa
could
naman.
not
Totoo ba
climb.
yun?
Pupunin
As
kayo.
long as you are mine.
Kaya,
Ewan ko
And
kung
I
totoo yun.
Dito na tayo sa parte ng Samar,
for
no?
being
Ito na yun, Santa Rita dito yung
I will never
galing, no?
let
May
you
mga
go.
cottage sila doon. Galing din,
I
no?
will never let you go. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no